Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to check screen time on Android 2025. Let's begin. First, you want to navigate into your settings. Then you want to scroll down until you will see a section called Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now we want to click on it. And as you can see, we can see our screen time right here. If we click on it, we'll get more details based on our screen time. For example, we can compare it to previous days of our weekday, and we can see at which applications exactly we spent more time on. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.